Hey, what is going on, guys? I just wanted to make a quick video on my trade plans for today. So today is Tuesday, September 12th. I'm going to be looking at a few stocks today. The first, I'm expecting there to be some downside pressure today because of CPI data coming out tomorrow, either some sideways or some downward pressure. If we look at the Qs, and we do our fib retracements, we can see we're around that 61% retracement level. And I only look at fibs when we're around 50 and 61% because I feel like that's the only time where they're actually sensitive and people are trading it. And then when we look at our volume, we can see that highest volume was around this area, which is the 376.72 range that we got into yesterday. So about right here. And when we go on the lower time frames, we can see that this was the area of highest volume. So usually what that tells me is if we are able to break above this, then buyers are in control. If we reject and start to go lower as we're doing now, sellers are in control. And if we break the 375 area, we can see this thing, you can see this move down pretty nicely today. We can see a 1% dip, something like that. So I'll be watching the Qs. I'm also watching Tesla. For a couple reasons. Obviously, we ran up 10% yesterday, and Tesla is coming around that same 61% range. And I marked a couple areas. So the couple areas that I marked, I believe, are here. So the first area that I marked is this zone. So this zone is an area of low volume, which is why when you see areas of low volume, if you break into it, stocks usually either fly through it or fly down through it because there isn't a lot of volume in those areas. So areas of high volume is usually areas of consolidation, and then areas of very low volume, there hasn't been trades there, so there's areas to buy. There's lots of shares available in those areas, and we can see that's what happened. Tesla, once it finally was able to break through this, it skyrocketed. So if we can break below this and hold, I can see this thing come back down to that 266 range. And the third stock that I am watching today is Nvidia. So when we look at our retracements for Nvidia, we are also coming to that 50 and 61% range. Now, if we look at Nvidia in terms of volume, we can see that the low volume area is below that 452 area. And what happened yesterday is around that 452 area, Nvidia just crashed, came all the way down as low as 443. So today it eventually creeped back up and came back to that zone, and now it's rejecting that zone again. So what I'm watching when market opens up is if this thing moves higher to this area, are we going to reject back down? So those are the three stocks that I am watching today. We remember that tomorrow is CPI day, so we trade safe today. There can be some consolidation. There's usually a little bit of fear in the markets. Bond yields are slightly going up, which means we can see some push down on the markets, some bearish pressure. We can see S&P is down 0.27 in pre-market. The Qs are down 0.31. Tesla is down about 1%. Nvidia is down 0.73. So a lot of downward pressure. I would also maybe watch, I don't know what this is, this big spike. but I would also watch Apple because Apple has its event today. I think they're speaking about the iPhone 15. So that is all for today, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Smash that like button. Peace.